everyone. Welcome to the maths class. Today's topic is measurement. I hope kids you have followed my last video where we have discussed the conversion of length. Today we are going to learn the conversion of mass. So, the main objective of today's learning is to understand the conversion of mass. Before starting with the conversion, let us discuss some important points of mass. So, what is mass? Mass is defined as how much something weighs. And how do we measure mass? We measure mass by using a weighing machine or a weighing balance. Let us discuss the different units of mass: kilogram, hectagram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. Kids, it is very important to remember all the units of mass for conversion. Since it is not easy to remember all the units, I will teach you one very easy trick. Look at this quotation. If you learn this quotation, you will be able to remember all the units of mass. So the quotation is, King Henry died, girl did cry much. Over here, King stands for kilogram, which is written as kg. Henry stands for hectagram, which is written as HAG. Died stands for decagram, which is written as DAG. Girl stands for gram, which is written as G. Did stands for decigram, which is written as DG. Cry stands for centigram, which is written as CG. And much stands for milligram, which is written as MG. Kids, you must also remember the standard unit of mass is gram, that is G. The biggest unit of mass is kilogram, that is kg. And the smallest unit of mass is milligram, that is mg. Kids, as we have discussed in the quotation, King Henry died, girl did cry much. Girl stands for gram, which is the standard unit of mass. So, we will circle it while conversion. You must also know the values of different units of mass. That is, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Now let us start with the conversion. Now kids, let us learn how to do the conversion of mass. As you can see, I have made the columns and I have written down the line, that is, King Henry died, girl did cry much. So, meaning of king over here is kilogram, Henry means hectagram, died means decagram, girl means gram, did means decigram, cry means centigram and much means milligram. So, let us do the conversion. What is the first example? 5 kg convert into g. That means 5 kilogram convert into gram. So, we have to convert 5 kilogram into gram. So, before starting with the sum, as you know, we have to circle the standard unit. Which is the standard unit of mass? That is gram. So, we will circle gram. Now, it is written 5 kg. So, we will write 5 under kg. Now, we have to go till which house? That is gram's house. So, we will put a lock in the gram's house. Now, these houses has remained empty. So, what we will do? We will put zeros. Now, the answer is, when we convert 5 kilogram into gram, it becomes 5000 gram. So, let us write over here 5000 gram. Now let us take the next example. Let us see 1107 gram convert into kilogram and gram. That means the whole thing we have to convert into kilogram also and gram also. So as you know, we will start writing from the grams house, that is G, and we will write it backwards. We will write the number backwards. So let us write 7 0 1 1. Now we have written down the number. Now let us see, first of all we have to convert it into kilogram, then gram. So we will put the log in the bigger unit first. So in the kilogram we will put the log. Now let us read the number. 1 kg 107 gram. 1 kilogram 107 gram. So let us write the answer. 1 kilogram 107 gram. Now let us understand how to do the conversion on copy. Now kids, let us see how to do the conversion on copy. As you can see, I have tilted the copy in this way and I have written down all the units making the columns. So again I have written the line, that is King Henry died, girl did crying much. Over here girl means gram. Kilogram, hectagram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. So let us convert. Now let us take the first example. 4 kilogram 237 gram convert into gram. So first of all, as you know that we have to circle the standard unit. So which is the standard unit of mass? That is gram. So we will circle gram. Now let us do the conversion. It is written 4 kilogram 237 gram. So which is the last house? That is gram. So we will start writing the number from the grams house but backwards. So let us write 7 3 2 4. Now we have to convert the whole thing into gram. So we will put the log in the grams house. Now if we read the number 4237 gram. So answer is 4237 gram. Now let us take the next example. 3432 gram convert into kilogram and gram. So first of all we will start writing the number from backwards from the grams house. So let us write 2 3 4 3. Now we have to convert it into kilogram and gram as well. So first of all we will put the log in the bigger unit first, that is kilogram. So let us put the log. Now let us read the number. 3 kilogram 432 gram. So let us write the answer. 3 kilogram 432 gram. Now let's recall what we have learnt today. We have discussed the conversion of mass. We have discussed the different units of mass and also the values of its units. That is, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram and 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. And then in this way we have learned how to do the conversion of mass. I hope kids you have understood the conversion of mass. Now complete the homework that has been given to you in your SNAP homework. Thank you.